As I'm recording this, this is only an hour old, so if you've seen it, sorry, but to me, this is brand new news. And that guy right there, Adam Cianciarulo, will be sitting out for A2, which kind of sucks. I mean, it always sucks. After the incredible amateur career he had, to be always injured like he has been since he entered the 450 class, just sucks. And this is from Kawasaki saying, Kawasaki rider Adam Cianciarulo will sit out tonight's race due to a hand injury sustained at A1. More information will be provided as it comes. As far as I remember, he ran into somebody or hit somebody's bars, and I think he either cracked his thumb or one of his fingers. I don't know. So that, as far as I know, is the injury that's going or continuing to plague him. But if he's already missing races, it's not going to be good. But I don't know. Comments below, you guys tell me. Who do you think is going to win? Obviously, Triple Crown format, the fun one for me. Do you think anything's going to happen with Jet and Anderson? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.